Hello student, today we will learn an important result of a parallelogram theorem 1. Consider a parallelogram ABC. Here AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. Now draw the diagonal AC. This diagonal divides the parallelogram into two triangles. The statement of the theorem: in a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. That means AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD. Now let us prove this statement. Since AB is parallel to CD, therefore angle BAC that equal to angle DCA, and they are alternate angles. Since BC is parallel to AD, therefore angle BCA that equal to angle DAC, and they are also alternate interior angles. Now we consider the triangle ABC and triangle ACD. Angle BAC equal to angle DCA and they are interior alternate angles. Angle BCA equal to DAC, which are also alternate interior angles, and AC is the common side. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ACD. Since these two triangles ABC and ACD are congruent, therefore AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD. Therefore their opposite sides are equal. Hence the theorem proved. That is, the opposite side of a parallelogram are equal. In the next video, we will learn Parallelogram Theorem 2. For more geometry lesson, subscribe to Geometry Zone. Thank you. Visit again.